I will put you trouble me. Remember you did trouble with me with Marvin Maglas. Marvin the Beast, I should say. Remember you trouble me with Marvin the Beast on before me turn artist. Them say who bad king mix up. You come from a small island is a blood clot for yourself. You think nobody don't know your father is a child. And that's if you tell the people them, that's why you scream black and it's only a voice. But you're from the Caribbean. You have to remember, I am the queen. Me are the queen on the scene. So any deeds you have, me I go find it out. I'm going to do a homework for you. Them say you're a Caribbean. You come from one of the small islands. And is a take my husband video now for put in back here something where you post on 10 times already. I king mix up my day for today. I king mix up time now. You gotta repost my husband video with turn me on. You just make me want to see my husband right now for turn me on again. You idiot. And me post it. Me on a reason now. I will tell enough for the boom flick. You look a bit for you look. Me I walk for my and I do also. Me have a slim trim husband. Him supposed to come in at the house right now and I'll walk on him and entertain me. So when you want to feel some type of way for share to the world, say my husband upon him head top. When you sit down and come off a live a reality chipping on yourself, you lot are so and negative. When a negative on a small mind, small-minded people not stay one place. That's why I sit down and listen to me and then send it over YouTube.
Queenie.
Oi.
Mama, come over Queenie with me. Everybody over here, so come a Queenie there. Who bother you, my friend? Amel. Me and Mama come. No, right now. Me get your WhatsApp yesterday. Me get it after you come off of the live.
No, me have one flexible. My husband with them so on porridge. And him like me.
Right now. So Momo the other. Send in a request, Momo.
Where Momo there?
See her there.
Our Momo there. Me not see no Momo.
M.O. with the looking face. The Momo fed up with the monkey something looking face.
Oh, there's something I see yesterday.
Yeah. Other.
Yeah. Yeah, my other.
Miss Wang, big up yourself. One. I love you, Miss Wang.
Hey, Queenie.
Mojo, big up yourself. Shakira, my bestie. Big up yourself.
Big up all who they here, sir.
Yeah, big up everybody.
We come from a small island. Them say it's truth. If you listen to him accent, and that's why I'm got anonymous. What the word name?
Anonymous, yes, anonymous.
That's why I'm still anonymous. Now this man get up and a trouble me how long I'm not pay him no mind. And to them I get up and get one pad. Two little catch up on the pad. Are you man? Come on, not only you man. How much somebody I got text it for me behind one another, ain't it?
Yeah.
Two little catch up on it, you man, dig one dirt. I listen to him voice note, put it in the dirt. I say my bury up whatever. You know if you take it for compliment, cause you like mix up your name King. The man I go look for my husband video where my husband said eat me for. And him I go forever have me up for and repost it. But I'm feeling something now for my husband left me. So what me do with the bad me have? I me first post it and it more Mel.
Yeah.
The man said to me when me like house of video, say Queenie don't post it because them people are too terrible. I said that video you turn me and me like one of the people them saw your mag and can't flip. Yeah? And him said, don't post it. Couple days I come mad over the video. The way Dewey can't walk on him and Dewey just come and flick. Dewey just run on the something and flick over.
I'm joyful, yeah.
Right. Me and Dewey are walk, you know, the blue jump on them where they are in Jamaica where they put the rubbish in.
Yes.
Yeah. And Dewey are ramp and Dewey run down the road and Dewey just jump over the jump, the big tree rim jump. So them something that fascinate me. But cut a long story short, so the fascinated way it fascinate me. One night, that's how before me and him married, you know. One night when I was asleep, I'm there in Jamaica, I wake him up, and him now wake up. I'm just run through the phone, I see the video, I said, I'm fit. Momo. Yeah. Drop them class me and Dewey. Oh, Dewey upon them attack and mess them people are study. So we don't have no happy life and a little more.
Him did a flip. I see the video, I flip him like him did a flip him, never dip on the head top.
Them. So where him do now, to bury him today and give him a pad, which is ketchup pad. Can I make sure I get the clean pad and put the ketchup on it, make them seeing it.
Mm-hmm.
And then humor him, because remember, me's a person, because before me make you break me turn puppy show like how you want to turn me in a puppy show. So that's all me do. Me not have nothing against King Mix Up really, because as him say, he's a messenger. So
Yeah.
you're a messenger, you're gonna get like him disturb.
Bumba.
Him disturb a lot of people life. In a March and in August when my husband run away. And my husband put on something on him status. When I look over King Mix Up page, King Mix Up said, Dewey said Queenie have STD. Pan him YouTube, you know how much views him get for that? But come on now, my husband did not say that. Thanksgiving festive. My husband did not say that, but in my heart, I just bury that and say, King Mix Up, you see the day me old blood, and I gonna like it in on this the day today. So King Mix Up, the reason why I get the ketchup pad is because you tell lie that my husband said I have STD. I have my sexual health. I'm gonna check myself and play it on this. Don't try to fear me thing and take it say me just gonna take it lightly because I'm terrible. Me have feelings as well, and me a human in it. So not take this thing too hard and not take my fear. Feeding tree. Too much people are feed off of my energy. And if I sit down and don't feed back off of energy, you know what them I gonna do? Me them I gonna drive mad. So you know what me do? When somebody called me a while ago and said, King Mix Up put up that Dewey post, me just say, send it, come give me. Girl, you can't take my post for me to come put up a no. The girl want to help you from LV. Which girl from LV? But Queenie, you know, gonna miss out pan your LV because she not read. Work, give me LV. She work at LV. When she work at LV, she can't give me LV something. The words at LV and wants to get you something. A lie. You know? I don't want to not trick me in a cause. The lady want to give you. Maybe I fake somebody. Oh no, no, such work at LV. I will love it too. Hello, L Fox. She work at LV store on Bond Street. Lady who work at Lady work. So where is she? Lady, good evening from Bond Street. Mister come down at Bond Street. I don't let me buy me something them. When no long me not come down there asking you want. Me don't know when I shop. You know, it's a true me never plan for buy nothing. Me never look. A long time me not look for them something. But me just attack and me say, but really have a fact, Queenie. You know you hot girl if you have an LV set. Cause when them lock me up a month ago, you know, I may have the never full LV bag, you know. And the sergeant, woman in a khaki suit clothes, woman, she said to me, say, tell me everything what happened from the airport to right here, sir. I'm just tell her to raw as me is. And she said, yeah, I got jail, but yeah, hot girl, me now make you go jail with no scandal bag. Take your LB bag and take anything you want out of your suitcase. But clap, my dad, you know, we put one bag of one case of patty. Banana cheese. My dad. One night I spend on a mobile with my LV bag still, sir. So it just come to me here, some more I want 3-piece LV something. I don't know what I want. We just a chat, but I want something from down there. And if that's for real, I would appreciate it.